Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. It's Wednesday, May 26th, and we're already in the 80s, heading back up into the 90s again today. Be for us like 6-7 days in a row with more days coming. And as you can look at these, you can see it really is, we could use a few onions. These are the granex, which is basically the Vidalia onion kind of onion. We get them from the place in Texas. Of course, I can't think of the name. I'll stick it down in the notes. Where they actually provide the starch for the Vidalia onions in Vidalia. But I'm going to pull a couple of onions here so we can be letting them dry and cure, because even though it's got more to grow, holy mackerel. We could use a few onions getting ready. Look at that thing. Look at that onion. Is that fantastic? Wow. Go down a little further down, pick a couple more. There's another one here, right here. I don't know what makes them do that. But this bulb here looks plenty good to me. So, there's one great looking onion here. What do you think? Is that one fabulous onion? All right. Here's two. There's another whole bunch of them looking good down here. I'll take this guy on the corner. Wow. Look at that. I think for right now, 3 is probably enough. Let them be dry. In a few days I'll pick a few more. But this is turning out to be one incredible year for onions here. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Snatching a few onions. Boy, these will be good in a couple of days.